Okay, go ahead.
What's up, guys? Today I'm here with my friend, and we're playing Animal Company. It's like Lethal Company, but gorilla. Yeah! Yo, turn that around real quick. Yeah! Yo, hey, look at me real quick. Hey, give me the backpack. Give me the backpack. Yay! Damn. Give me a damn backpack. Oh, hey, funny minefield. I wonder what's going on. Bentley? Bentley?
No.
We're wasting money. Give me the damn backpack.
Bro, I have 2,000. What do you mean I'm wasting money?
Damn. 100. You could buy grenades.
Hey, buddy.
Ah! Damn. Jesus Christ. You can buy a shotgun?
Hey bro, you are not accepting this.
No. Go away. Alright, let's go do this.
Oh, look, a funny big reaction.
Oh, hey, give me your money.
Nah, you give me
your money. Oh, let's go scary path again. Where the freak are we going?
Not the right way, dumbass.
Shut up.
Come back here, you monkey! You will not escape me. You will not escape my...
By the way, guys, sorry about the boundary thing. I'm in my basement, so, I don't want to whack the hell out of a pole. Let's go this way.
Hey, guys, I'm about to poop myself. Wait, what if I just aim at myself? Oh!
What is that? What is that? What is that? What is Run! What the frick? To go away.
Nah, you know what? Nah.
Kill it.
Brother, run, brother.
No. Shit, I'm taking his backpack.
You monkey.
Here's your backpack.
No.
Get your backpack, buddy. Alright.
Okay.
Let's actually try to...
You took my... Nah, bro, look at this. Man, this stuff out bad, man. Shut.
Get your backpack. Damn.
Here, I'll buy the tiny ones.
I don't need no tiny one. Jeez.
Say that again.
Fuck!
Bye. How much money do I have? Oh shit, we gotta go get money.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to... that's what I want to do. Oh, money.
You want booty?
What?
You want balls in your mouth? Hey, bro, I think I killed the fish.
You shoved a grenade down his mouth.
I was this official sacrifice. I'm
a sacrifice. Help! I found the things! What the f-
Help me! Please!
Ah! I got my ass beat. Hey, is that a civilian airliner? Hey, is that an unintended civilian airliner? Speak into your microphone, dumma.
Did you die?
I went into a cave system, and then a big old gorilla killed me. What are you screaming about?
Remember the anglerfish? Do you remember
Speak into the radio!
You know what? Guess what?
What?
No, not me! Are you stupid?
I just punched my roof! We're so bad at this! What is it?
You die.
Yes, I died. Oh, yeah, that's a pretty cool looking landmine. Goodbye, Bentley. Hey, Bentley. Bentley, you bitch.
Yes, sugar.
Hey, the landmine. Where are you? Hey, goofball, where are you?
I'm in the room.
That sure helps.
Bro. I'm in. Okay, remember.
Bitch.
Go.
I'm. Where are you?
Go. Are you in the dungeon?
Fish boy is camping it.
I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay.
Alright. Wait, you're coming?
Go. Yo, he's warning you? Yo, are you alive?
Very much. Not. I'm very much dead. So, I would be ass at Lethal Company. Sigma, Sigma on the wall. Who's the skippidiest of them all?
You?
But I'm the Rizzler. Bitch, 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 bitch. Are they camping?
Okay, I'll get.
They're camping. They're camping. They're camping.
There's no way they're fucking.
They're camping the entrance. Hello? It's gotten hella dark. Help. Help. Help me! Help me! What? Help me, demon!
Oh, I wish I could help right now, but. Hey, bro, come on.
Help. Alright, I made an obby. I went through an obby thing, now they promptly go away. They went away! No, they didn't! Yes, they did. Okay. They're trying to do the obby, but they're failing. There's toilet paper! Should I be picking up everything I see? There's a walking bomb!
You mean a fish walking bomb?
Ah!
Yo! Jesus! Here, grab all the stuff. Grab the Stanley Cup. Grab this.
What the fuck are you doing? Damn.
Yo, okay. Grab all the stuff over there, and then we're exiting this place. Here, come over here. Come to me. Come to me. Here, grab the Stanley Cup. Yo, those motherfuckers just spawned there, and I ran back so fucking fast. You saw my ass, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay, come over here.
Where's my flashlight?
Get over here, man. Get over here. Grab these. Grab the big soda cans. Those are blue.
Damn.
Hey bro, wanna go upstairs?
Won't fit.
Hold up. Here, let me try.
Alright.
Here, look. Do it like this. Face it. Grab it. Grab the backpack. Face it like this. Drop.
Face it like this. Drop.
Here, grab this one. I'll grab that one.
Oh, I just can't. I just don't flip it upside down. Got it.
Here, now come on. This is new. I haven't seen this update yet. My brother. Brother.
Brother. Are you speaking your native language?
Okay, we gotta go back. Here, follow me. Follow me. Did they spawn? No. Okay, come on, get in here.
Damn. My game!
Okay, now, hold on, let me find where we have to jump off. Here, jump, do this. Ready? Yeah, okay, now dump your stuff in there first. You can dump your flashlights here for money. Here, I'll put mine in for you. Put the big one in there, bro. Put that thing in there!
That thing bleeding, P. Damn!
There's also a dragon.
No! I put my entire backpack in there.
Okay, it's my turn. Look how much money you got. Look how much money you got.
Damn! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! I pressed a button. I pressed a button. How do you, like, get all of it out? Do you just shake the hell out of your backpack?
No, I just hold it upside down. Let's see how much money I got.
Not too much. $1,000! I give him. Oh wait, I don't have my backpack.
I don't got goof. Oh shit! You can.
Oh my ass.
I mean, so sometimes you gotta get that black one and just throw the water. Hey bro, hey bro.
A laptop. Damn! Bitch.
Oh no, I'm a bitch? I'm a bitch?
Yeah!
Nah. Say that again, boy.
I beat the hell out of him with a crowbar. My grenade. Wait. Ow. What the fuck are you doing? I'm selling your backpack. I'm selling your backpack. I'm selling all of your stuff. I'm selling all of it. I'm selling all of it. Give me it. Shit.
No, dude, give it back. Give my stuff back.
I'm selling.
Dude, that I don't have any money left. I need it back. Bro, please give it back.
It's right there.
Get in there. Get in there.
Get
in there. Get in there. Get here.
No.
Is he dead? Is he dead? Is he dead? Oh my god.
You must. You sold all my shit.
Backpack.
I'm stealing. This is my crowbar now. You know how much money that.
You know what? I'm gonna show you. No, bye. There's a big black man chasing me.
Alright, let's try. What the freak? Alright, let's go with the quote unquote safe way now.
Yeah. Bro, you need to take the hard way, by the way.
The hell did you say to me?
I was good, gang. Okay, this is where the dinosaur.
The dinosaur?
Yeah. Wanna see what it looks like? Here's my pet Jerry. Jerry, wakey up, you motherfucker.
Damn, he ugly.
Nah. Hey, bro.
He took that personally! He took that personally! He took that personally! Get Jerry off of me!
Where are you?
I'm in the walls!
Where?
Get me out of here.
Where are you actually in the freaking wall?
I'm in the walls!
Where?
Over here! I'm stuck!
Which one?
All of them!
Are you up or down?
Down! I'm stuck. Oh, I'm almost out, I think. Help!
I'm stuck.
How do I unstuck myself? Oh, I'm almost out.
How do you find it?
Help!
Sir.
Help me! Get me out of here! Can you kill me or something?
I mean, if you can give me your grenade, then you. Oh shit! No! No!
No! No! What happened? a grenade at me or something.
Do you read me?
Yes, kill me.
If you insist.
What the fuck?
No, you said... Where'd he go?
Bro!
Yo, I'm coming over to your place with a butt...
What 50 bits?
I'm coming to your place with a... Ready.
I got out.
Yeah, I think I saw that.
No! That's my grenade! I paid for it with my own money.
No, you bastard!
Get my grenade back.
I'm gonna touch him session.
Alright, let's go.
Oh God, what a wonderful day. Nothing could happen.
Oh, shit! Hey, yo, you good, bro?
Brother, give me a hug. Brother, give me a hug.
Despacito! Jiggle that thing! Yeah!
No, I'm not gonna tell you where the secret money spot is now. Despa monkeys.
You're gonna get me copyright!
Hey, look, a landmine.
Hey, look, I have civilian airliner.
9/11. No. Why'd you laugh at that?
What do you mean? It's a buff dude! It's a buff black dude! He's buff and black! It's Big Dick Randy! It's Big Dick Randy!
Where did you... How much money do you have?
$61.
Buy a backpack. You can use it. How much money do you have left?
$12.
I have 25, so I'm better. Yeah.
Kill
Oh,
yourself.
look, a landmine.
I'm gonna go get our stuff back.
Come back.
No! No! No, don't do it! No! Don't do it! No!
Give me a hug.
Bro.
Monkeys, I'm gonna touch your big.
No!
No.
Oh, look, a civilian airliner.
No, it's 9/11. Oh my God. Nah, he's going
Hey,
that
buff
way.
black dude. Wait,
Good, nah.
where are you
Where's
going?
your money from?
The oh, you was the monster. He's ugly! He's ugly!
I'm
gonna go beat him up. Hey, look, a grand mind! love this game. No, I threw a grenade.
You didn't kill him.
I'm taking my own life, bro.
Yo, bro. Yo. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I gotta show you something. Come here. Come here. Come up here.
Hey, yo! Hey, yo! Ah, get back here, you Billy! I need...
Sir, you have a big yacht.
I know! Here. Take your backpack!
What the? Oh, thank you.
Damn! He's fat and ugly! I'm in. Jesse, I'm cooking.
Where? You're in where?
Under.
Ow!
Are you? I heard that. I heard that.
Yeah.
Nice. Yes, give me that.
Get the Stanley Cups.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo. Yo, you wanna get something? You wanna get some money?
Bet!
Follow me. Go that way.
No.
Give me that Stanley Cup.
Okay, go! I killed him.
Sir, how? How did
You die! How did you die?
I tried to teleport at the wrong time.
Are you retarded? Yo, where are you?
Damn!
Ow! Run! 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 Brother, my booty just cannot tell. Hey, bro, what do you call monkey wearing Johns?
Long John.
Nah, you call them gorilla games. Ow! Yo,
Do you read me?
Yes.
please tell me you're not getting chased.
That was good.
Bro.
Wait, did you? Yeah, I got you. Take that. The big bananas are worth a lot. Yo, bro, you wanna climb this?
We gotta head back up.
Yeah, but come on, let's head back up.
Where are we?
I actually don't know.
You're right, this is just random lethal company.
Yo. Woo! Holy shit.
Let's head back up. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Did you make it?
Yo, are you here?
Dude, I was so close to dying. I was so close to dying, bruh.
Yo, bro.
Here, I'll do it
Put
first.
stuff in first.
Here,
Holy shit! Here. Bro, how do you make every single one?
I didn't.
My turn.
Oh,
No.
I see. Come on. Yes!
Ah, man, fuck this, man.
Bitch!
Bro, it was the first button I clicked and it was blue. You cannot be talking. No, come on. Oh my god. No. Yeah, do it. No.
Oh no! $3! Damn! Hey, you're only worth $3 according to this game, bruh.
What the hell is this? Oh nah, bro, it's you and me. It's you and me. Bro, look, it's you and me. It's you and me. Queso?
I'm gonna see.
Oh, what is that game?
What?
Back here.
Big boy wants.
Touch you, boy. I wanna touch you. I wanna touch you. I wanna touch you. Are you actually making a video right now?
Yeah.
Okay, want me to distract it? Hey, yo, boy, you still got your monkey dog, bro. I think I killed you.
Wait a minute.
Go snatch this.
Oh, little bloody slide. Look at you. Why the hell did you take everything? No, run!
Hey, shit, parkour!
Holy puta madre, fool. Oh, digita.
Is that racist?
No. I think puta madre is. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. El puta madre, una dead.
Kumalama, kumalama.
Bro.
Why are you so slow, monkey?
Cause I'm scared.
Hurry up, you dick!
Hell no, the fish is going to you. Told him.
I need some help.
Rip bozo.
Bro, you literally got have fun.
Okay.
Yo,
yes.
do you read me?
Help me!
Do you read me?
Yes, I read you. Help me!
Bro, do you read me? Cause you're not talking back.
God damn it! Help me!
On a scale to how bad do you need help? On a scale to 1 to 10, how bad do you need help?
I'm dead. Gimme!
Here.
Wait. Okay.
Too stupid. Yeah.
Bitch!
I've flown that thing.
That thing bleeding, Pete!
Yeah. Wait, where's it at?
Bro, my guy, are you okay?
Mentally, no. Physically, yes. Holy shit! Get over here! Run!
Yeah, no. Hey! Okay, follow me, follow me. Go back. Never mind. Hey, puta madre, boo. Go back, go back. Fall down.
Better at parkour than you.
Oh shit, we're here. Yo, bro, that's what you gotta do.
Kaboom.
Plunger,
Plunger.
give me mine.
Me, Stanley.
Yeah, I need a light, bro.
Okay, we mostly got everything.
Where are you?
I went back.
I almost just jumped in the landmine. My PC.
Oh no. Here, I'll do it first. First one. How much money?
$2.
Oh my god, $2. Okay, let's see what you get, buddy.
I'm scared. Wait, hold up.
Here,
Stop.
hold up. Do you have more?
No.
I'm better. Wait. God damn it. I mean,
Do we share money? Bruh! Bitch, get the.
Help?
Rip. What does this thing do?
You click Y on it.
Click Y.
I'm selling it real quick.
Bro, look. Mine! I'm getting it first!
Oh, I'm getting it first.
Blood, what is you... Nah, you know what? I'm not fighting anymore. Bro. You're gonna explain to yourself what the frick you just did. Yo, where you going?
I'm selling the backpacks.
Yeah, we need those backpacks, boy. Squash me, daddy. Oh, shit.
$5 whole? Let's go!
You got $6. Bro, you got $6 from last year, bro. Hey, bro. Yo, bro, look at this. Hey, yo, bro. Yo, get over
Here,
here.
I gotta do something.
Hold up. I'm gearing up. Hold up.
Man, no, I'm about to leave you, bro. My mans. Yeah, come on. Let's go.
What up? Did you steal it?
Bro,
Alright, let's go.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
There's a barrier. I wanted to test.
Alright.
Okay, which way
where do you wanna go?
The easy way or hard way?
Easy.
Okay. Oh shit. But this is what the big black man is.
Big Dick Randy's over here.
Sir.
no, just come back. Hey.
Bro got juked out of his mind. That's crazy.
No, not the plunger. I can see my man. Yo, Toilet paper. Toilet paper. Mine. Plunger. Plunger. Yo.
I just shit myself. Oh my god, I almost fell. Wow, there's shit. There's nothing.
Nah, bro, first of all, let's go sliding. Bro, come on, let's go sliding.
Bro.
I wanna go sliding, so you better hurry up, boy.
Testing, do you read me?
I died, apparently. No, I didn't.
Nero, how?
I didn't die, dummy.
Bro, how big is this?
That's what she said.
Oh shit, I can't see. Oh damn. Oh shit.
Oh shh.
Okay, bro, let's go.
I'm gonna go up there.
There. Bro, can we even get up there? Flash your light, flash your light. Wait, there's something up here. I wanna know what is up here.
I'm scared.
Well, don't be scared, my boo baby.
What Help me! Bro!
I look so cyan.
No, don't risk it! Don't risk it! Where the hell are we?
The very top. Oh shit, bro, you got that. Woo! Oh shit. Wee. Nah, you know what? I'm about to do a leap of faith. I'm actually about to do a leap of faith.
Don't do it. I'm stuck.
No, fuck. Ah! Oh shit! I'm alive!
I'm alive!
Should I do it?
Yes! Aim straight though! Aim straight!
I am howling, free bird, yeah! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hey bro, I think you missed. I think...
Kill yourself!
Oh, I made it. How'd you not make it?
I'm gonna kill your entire family.
I'm better.
Where did you come from?
Bro, like I said. Nah, did you fix something?
The fuck?
220, I'll take it.
23. My boy.
Why does this have Lethal Company graphics?
It though, doesn't it? No climate.
It's almost like it's called Animal Company.
It literally is called Animal Company, dumbass.
Really?
What are you doing? Bro, look at our hands, bro. Just do this.
I'm a real gorilla. Whoa,
Well,
you. Never mind.
Let's see if we can get up the map. Where are you running from? What the fuck do you think you're running from? Oh shit.
I did not fall.
The damn barrier.
No, I'm betting. I went in the tree. My man's okay. Bird, yeah. No!
Ew. Got $1.
I'm playing with
We're playing Animal Company.
No. Oh,
Yeah.
I would have gone in.
My
I
friend,
just said booby. Hey bro, thanks for the backpack.
Kill yourself.
Hey bro, let's go see this landmine field over here.
magic.
Yo,
Bro, is there anything
bad over here? Do you see anything
bad over here?
I see landmines.
Mines are dangerous, right?
No, they're like Snickers. You have to eat them.
No, I didn't kill each other.
Bro, quit.
I want to be taller.
Oh, let's go over here. This looks fun.
Wait, what is it?
Ocean.
Yo, no. Hold on, let me try first. Free.
Don't do it. You're gonna die.
You coming over here?
Don't do it.
The Titanic scene. I love you.
Give me a backpack first. Bitch. No, I'm
What, can you?
Oh, no, come here.
Come here. Let's see if you can die from the freaking lowest amount of water. Come here.
the amount of backpacks, bro.